Welcome to qnawire.
Cowboys Longevity. How long did real cowboys live? One answer may be found in the book The Last Cowboys by Connie Brooks, a study of cowboys in West Texas and southeastern New Mexico around the year 1890. Here's a sample of 32 cowboys and how long they lived. We want to compute the 5-number summary. Well, the first number is the minimum. That is 28. Whoops. And the last number is the maximum, which is 93. Then we have the median, which there's an even number of data. So 58 and 59 are both in the middle. We would take the average of the two, that's 58.5. And then the first quartile is the median of the bottom half of the data. There are 16 here. And so of these 16, it looks like 53 would be in the middle, and then 68 would be in the middle for Q3, because 53 would be the median of the bottom half, and 68 would be the median of the top half. The most appropriate graphical representation is a box and whisker plot. Not necessarily to scale here, but we can check to find any outliers if we multiply 1.5 by the interquartile range, which is the difference of 68 and 53, which is 15, and 1.5 times 15 is 22.5. And then we can subtract this value from Q1 and add it to Q3. So if we take Q1 and subtract 22.5, we get 30.5, meaning anything less than 30.5 is an outlier. So 28 and 29 would be outliers. And we'd end the whisker at 41. So I'm going to list our outliers here. They would be 28 and 29 on the low end. And then we would add 22.5 to our third quartile, 68, plus 22.5 is 90.5. So on our upper end, 91 and 93 are outliers. And so our whisker would end at 81. What can be said about the center shape and spread? Uh, well, it is, if you're talking about normal, it is not normal, even though uh, that is because the median is not centered about the box. So if you're talking about normal distributions, yet this would not be normal. And there are outliers, so the spread would be pretty high. You would expect a large standard deviation if you're talking about that. There could be other things that you can say about this as well if you tailor it to what you're talking about in class. Hope this helps.